In front of me is TCL 50 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display section after scrolling down a tiny bit. Over here. Then scroll down again. Tap on Display Size and Text, and last but not least, adjust your font size thanks to this slider. You can check out Preview at the top. When you're finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!